See, Earth and Moon are at equal distance from the Sun. So, their temperature should also be same? Not so. In the case of Moon, the temperature range is very wide. It is from minus 190 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. But not so on Earth. Why so? Because of air. So, the first thing is air regulates temperature. Secondly, see, Earth is the only planet in which air has oxygen. In Venus and Mars, there is all carbon dioxide. About 95% to 97% is carbon dioxide. The air we have is a natural product of living beings only. See how intricate and interesting? Living beings need air and they also sustain air. Initially, when the microbes were there, or you can say the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells were only there, they utilized air to form energy rich compounds and also the carbon compounds, and then they also released carbon dioxide. Today also all the living beings take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. But even then in air there is only 0.03% of carbon dioxide, and on Earth's crust it is still more or less, that is 0.02% of carbon dioxide. Where has all the carbon dioxide gone? The green plants, which are also called the green lungs. The green plants use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and release oxygen. So, the balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide is maintained by photosynthesis and respiration. Not only this, some of the carbonates which are in the sea, they are used for making shells by aquatic organisms. So, carbon dioxide has been taken care of. In other words, we can say that air helps in also respiration, photosynthesis, now there is about 21% oxygen in air, and oxygen is a spotter of combustion. Then why there is no instant fire? Because it also has 78.8% of nitrogen. So, there is 78.8% of nitrogen that prevents fire. That is also an advantage of air. Air is poisonous also. How is it poisonous? It contains ozone, which is a poisonous gas, but fortunately it is much above the atmosphere, and it has an advantage also. The advantage is it filters UV rays. It does not allow UV rays to penetrate the atmosphere, otherwise we would develop diseases like skin cancer. So, it also prevents UV rays. So, from this you can understand how important air is. It is regulating temperature, it is providing oxygen for respiration, it is and combustion, because for burning also oxygen is needed. It has carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, it has nitrogen that will prevent fire, and it has ozone that prevents UV rays. So, that is the role of air.